on the petite train. And I didn't have to wait 2 hours like in Paris. I'm filming a video.
I don't care. I might want to take a picture of something.
No, I'm just letting you know so that you don't say what you usually say.
Like what? Oh, look at the ever-popular air-jump animal. How's that? Christmas trees.
Now, these are very exotic. They come from Douglas County, Oregon. Yep. So you don't know this in the video, but I'm saving you guys a lot because it is 60% humidity and already like 85 degrees out here. So it feels like it's 95, but nasty 95. All right. What do we got down there? Oh, those are Homo sapiens.
Find example of Cro-Magnon man.
Cro-Magnon man?
Yes.
Homo neanderthalis?
Yep. Something that might be in there.
I hear monkeys. Oh, it's the flamingo habitat. We have those at the Sac Zoo, so they're not super exotic to me. Smells like horse doo-doo. Could be me. Nope, that's definitely not me. Something in there. Oh, the petting zoo. Gorgeous. It's like an English garden.
The foliage is typical of a rainforest, like in the jungle, because of the humidity. Everything is well watered.
These are the world famous ducks, mallards. They're very rare. You can only find these here in Cincinnati. Oh, it's the duckies. Are we in the Hippo Cove? Can't tell. So how many kids do you think have jumped off and jumped in the water?
Not enough.
I don't know what's in here.
Fountain.
It's probably just the bird exhibit, various aquatic birds. Gives them a place to poop.
Mosquitoes, birds.
Go. Who will speak for the trees, it says. Most of California.
It's a gorgeous botanical garden.
Some elephant ears. Hi.
I'm sorry.
Those are like the restaurant employees that are forced to sing happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
But these ones are forced to wave at you. Hi, have a beautiful time.
This is quite that was
Was that really it?
that's it. We didn't even see Fiona.
Oh, wow. Okay, don't waste your money on the safari train. Oh my gosh.